welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and guys, we are live. It is a Monday. Happy Monday. Fun day. Let's talk crypto, guys. And a 500K BTC, say what? Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, my friends, my family. How we doing, everybody out there? Good to see all y'all in the chat. Today, yes, we're going to talk about the very outlandish, and 71% of you guys agree, very outlandish idea that Bitcoin could achieve $500,000 in 2025. As I said earlier in the intro, say what? Is that even possible? Well, I'll just start out of the gate and say, I don't think so. I mean, possible, maybe. Probable. Let's keep our bullish sentiments in check, right? We know that we are on the precipice of a beautiful, beautiful bull market, a continuation to the upside for Bitcoin, for crypto. We know this by now. I've got some breaking news to you with proof as to why this is happening, and just some news that's happening in the industry. And I want to show you why I believe meme coins, altcoins alike, are gearing up for an epic run. Now, whether or not Bitcoin goes to $500,000, or even if it only goes to $150,000, I believe there are so many gains to be made in this crypto market. That is why me and my partner on this channel, Black Sea, we have been creating 5 videos a day, every single day for you guys on this channel, keeping up to date with all the things crypto. Talking about crypto at a time in the bear market. We were talking about Bitcoin and crypto at the lows. As we were crashing, when we hit the lows at the peak of the FTX collapse, fear for crypto, we were accumulating. We've made tremendous gains. I know a lot of you guys have made some gains as well. Let me know what you guys have made some money on in the chat. Let me know how you're feeling today. I'm going to get into some of the news. We're going to look at some of the top gainers, top losers over the last 24 hours. All you need to do is enjoy the stream. Tap the like button on your way in. Subscribe to this channel if you would like to see some more content like this. And let us hop right in, my friends. I am bringing the energy, but let me tell you, I don't have any. I just had my first child. I'm exhausted, but the show must go on. Must go on. Chris in the chat had some wins today. Good for you, brother. Tej in the chat's talking about October. I believe in October. You guys know I believe October at this point. October is historically a very bullish time for crypto. Let me refresh CoinMarketCap to see exactly where the price of BTC is coming in right now. Currently sitting at $63,200, up a little bit in the last 24 hours, barely, but it is up massively, a 9% move over the last 7 days. Cryptocurrency can be so easy if you just buy when others are fearful and you take profit when others are greedy, okay? Rolling my R's today for you guys. Thank you so much, Crypto Keeper. How's everybody doing? Crypto Keeper says, I just want everyone to make money. Those of us who have been in the market for at least 4 years have been through a lot. You're not wrong, my friend. Chris says, I just started crypto 5 days ago. Chris, if you're making money, well, you're doing well. Actually, that was a good time to start. The best time to start crypto is now, unless now is at the peak of the Bitcoin crypto market. You know, maybe you wait a couple months, start DCAing on the way down and maybe towards the bottom. But Chris, you came in at a good time, I believe, because boom, the numbers don't lie. Look at all these coins that are up over the last 24 hours. 16%, 12%, 14%. All these coins are up. And over the last 7 days, 40%. We talked about Sui. I did a video on Sui yesterday. $2 prediction was an easy. I said, you know, hey, if we're seeing Bitcoin go to, you know, previous all-time highs, new all-time highs above $70,000, Sui could easily be back above $2. Super easy prediction. Very common sense. They've got some partnerships going on with USDC. There is a reason this has been pumping lately, and it has to do with some of those stablecoin partnerships with USDC, and just because Bitcoin's pumping as well. So, hope you guys bought the dip. You got some memes moving up as well. You got some of these other popular coins, the AI coins, still very hot, up 27, 29% over the last 7 days. A lot of people consider Render kind of an AI play of sorts. So this is all good to see. Crypto's easy when everything's going up 50%. Crypto's hard when everything's going down 50%, and you're fearful and you don't want to buy, but you should be. Shout out to Chris. Thank you so much, Chris, for your first super chat ever on one of our live streams. I appreciate you. Thank you for the support, my friend. Welcome to the Crypto Report. Welcome to crypto. This guy got into crypto 5 days ago, and he's already giving $5 super chat. You're incredible. You really must be making money. I hope we were able to be helpful in that, even though, please no, not giving financial advice. But me and my partner have been in this market since 2016. Can you believe it? Since 2016, we've almost been in this market for a decade. That's unbelievable. And it's gone tremendously well. The more we've been in it, in the beginning, you make a lot of rookie mistakes. The reason we started this channel is because in the beginning, we made a lot of rookie mistakes. We wanted to create a channel to educate people about the rookie mistakes that we've made and show you guys the path to victory in crypto, which mostly is DCAing and hodling, especially when you have accumulation zones. So our accumulation zones, let's see, the time is running out. Yes, the time is running out. You must be aware of it. We are getting closer to that parabolic leg up in this bull market, and it could be epic. Now, can we see a 500K Bitcoin? Now, 63% of you guys say no, and 37% of you guys say yes. And that's a reasonable amount of votes. I think that the yeses are a little too optimistic, and I mean no offense by that. But if you want to make money in crypto, we have to kind of temper our expectations to the most realistic prices we can see. Now, is $500,000 Bitcoin possible? I think that it is, and there's another individual that thinks that it is as well, but he thinks it's going to happen in 2025, and I might disagree with that. We're going to explore that a little bit more. That's one of the stories we got for you today. I also want to talk about China and their stance on crypto. I want to talk about the United States and our stance on crypto. I want to talk about big financial institutions and some breaking news going on with that. Do we have any big losers today? We do not have really any big losers today at all. A couple coins are down 2%, but it's only because they've pumped so much over the last 7 days. That is classic. If you are buying a coin today that just pumped 47%, like Sui, like I believe Sui is going to go to $2 in no time, would I buy Sui when the 7-day percentage gain charts are showing 47%? The answer is no. I would wait. I would say you missed that temporary accumulation zone. We'll probably have another dip. Could it just keep going up? Yes. But you don't want to get in the habit of buying when things are pumping. That's called FOMOing into the market, and that's a quick way to set yourself up to watch your portfolio dip immediately and then panic sell. If you have FOMO, you're probably panic selling too, and that is not the way to do crypto. A couple other coins we talked about, like Jupiter. My partner on the channel, Black C's, got some Jupiter tokens. This thing is below $1 at a huge discount. Solana is getting a little bit of a move up. Solana at $143, a huge discount. Incredible discounts still on a lot of these top coins. I've got a lot to get into, so let's shuffle on in. First up, BYN Melon. And again, Chris, thank you for your super chat, brother. That is much appreciated. BYN Melon gets the SEC approval for crypto service. This is very, very interesting. BYN Melon, the world's largest custodial bank, has secured approval from the U.S. SEC to offer Bitcoin custody and institutional crypto services. Now, I don't know about you, but I want to hold my own crypto. I don't want to put it in a bank. Bitcoin is the opposite of banks in my mind. In fact, it's a virtual bank. It's a digital bank, decentralized bank. It's your own bank, your keys, your wallet. Don't love the idea of putting my Bitcoin in a bank. I might as well just have cash in the bank. And I might as well be living back in 1988. But no, I'm not interested. Does that mean that I'm not bullish on this? No, I'm very bullish on this. This is good. One step at a time. We need people to start feeling comfortable with crypto. Well, how can we do that? Well, then maybe one of the world's largest custodial banks is willing to hold your Bitcoin and allow you to buy crypto if you're an institution. It's always how they do it. The institutions, the millionaires can buy Bitcoin through us, but all you regular people, no. That's what these banks say. That's what these banks say. Unfortunately, Crypto.com is still saying that with their Crypto.com exchange, but they'll come around. They'll come around. That's just always how they do it. You know, when the cell phone first came out, only rich people had it. And this is always how it goes. The rich always get access to these things first. The automobile, the phone, institutional crypto services. This is always how it goes. Thanks, Maddie C. I appreciate it. But this is huge. And apparently, in a recent study conducted by BYMLN, revealed that 97% of institutional asset managers believe that tokenization will revolutionize the asset management industry. Notably, 100% managers with over $1 trillion assets have expressed interest in this space, underscoring the immense potential for growth. They don't talk directly about Ripple, but they do say that BNY's Melon's entry into crypto and tokenization is closely related to Ripple. Loosely related to crypto is the truth. Cripple. Ha! Kind of. They're associated, but like there's no news with this. It's just theories and rumors. Implication is a better word. It's an implication. XRP is pumping on this. It's good for crypto overall, and it certainly is good for XRP. I'm not trying to take anything away from XRP, but just be careful when you're reading a headline, guys. And 30 viewers right now, 13 likes. Do me a favor, tap the like. Tap the like. Crypto Keeper says, I knew it was only time until the banks got their dirty paws on crypto. Of course. That's what you needed. And the politicians. We'll get to that in a second, too. But we are seeing, you know, speaking of institutional investors, crypto investment products attract $321 million in new capital as Bitcoin soars to 64K. No wonder BYN Melon wants to get into crypto. Everybody wants to get into crypto. Institutions, retail traders alike. People realize that crypto is here to stay. MicroStrategies is the number one. It outperformed every single stock in the S&P 500. Why? Because they've been buying Bitcoin, and there's no other reason for it. Of course, everybody's going to get into cryptocurrency. And we're going to continue to see more come into this space. So this is a headline today. Crypto investment products attract $321 million in new capital as Bitcoin soars to 64K. Can you imagine what's going to happen when Bitcoin gets back to the peak of the previous bull market? Looking at DeFi Llama, you can look at the total funding rounds, monthly sum. These are raises for new projects that are coming out. Look at this candle. Back in October 31st of 2021, $7 billion in that month was raised for crypto investment products. I want to take you back to October of 2021, which is right at the peak of the previous bull market. So what am I telling you guys? You think that this is an impressive headline today? $321 million in new capital. It's impressive for now, but what do we have coming next? We have a bull market coming, which kind of looks like this, Here's where we're at now. Where do you think this number is going to go? I bet you it's going to go well above $8 billion. And I think that trillions of dollars are going to flow into crypto. So we've got a lot of excitement to come. Banks are getting in. Institutional investors are getting in. There's more money being raised for startups in crypto. It is obvious the writing is on the wall, but there are some hurdles that people are scared of. One of them being, what's going to be the political landscape here? What countries are going to be pro-crypto and anti-crypto? China banned crypto in the past. What does that mean? United States, you have some politicians that are pro-crypto. You have other politicians that have been anti-crypto that are allegedly warming up to crypto. What is the truth? What's happening right now? This is the question on everybody's minds. Will the U.S. presidential election define the future of crypto? And I don't believe that it will. You know what? And I'm not the only one that believes that. I am not the only one that believes that. First of all, you have this guy right here getting interviewed by the thread guy, by that thread guy on Twitter. If you don't know who that is, it's fine. It's not important. But this guy came out and said, I think crypto has got a great future. Maybe we'll pay off the $35 trillion in debt. So you have one presidential candidate talking about paying off $35 trillion in debt. Guys, I want to remind you the implication of that. $35 trillion in debt paid off with crypto. The entire crypto market cap is $2.2 trillion. Where does this guy think that crypto is going to go? Up, up. That's bullish. And it's not just him. It's her as well. We've got the other one coming out and saying we will encourage innovative technologies like AI and digital assets. And so everybody is on the crypto train, and even China. Even China banned crypto, right? We know this. They banned crypto famously, and China's banned crypto 5,789 times in the past. But China still controls 55% of the Bitcoin hash rate. How's that possible? They're putting miners in Kazakhstan. They're putting in miners in border countries. They've still got some somehow in China. They never really banned it. They said they were banning it. I think they were doing it as a to poise themselves as a, oh, we're not interested in this stuff, when really they're very interested in this stuff. And so is the U.S. If China and the U.S., the two biggest world powers, are interested in crypto, what do you think the rest of the globe is going to do? Sit by and watch as they just buy up all the Bitcoin and rule the world? No. Every country is going to get into crypto. Every bank is going to get into crypto. Every financial institution is going to get into crypto. And guess what? If they don't, they're going to get left behind. Imagine if your military fell behind. Imagine if your economy fell behind. Imagine if your infrastructure fell behind. Maybe ours is falling behind a little bit. We got to do some work on that in the U.S. It's going to hurt you over time. And you cannot fall behind economically. Imagine if the United States didn't own any gold. We own like a third of the supply of gold, 20% of the supply of gold, I think. Imagine if we didn't. That would put us in a different situation on the world's stage. That is 100% for sure. You want to own as many resources as you can strategically as countries, and so you're going to continue to see this financial arms race of sorts between countries continue. I was not surprised to see this article, but maybe some of you guys are. I want to share with you because I think it's very, very interesting. Now, let's talk about, what is this ad with this weird? Standard Chartered Executives predicts Bitcoin would reach $200,000 regardless of who wins this thing here in the United States of America. I agree with that in saying it does not matter who wins the presidential election in the US. Crypto is going to go up because Bitcoin is digital gold. Altcoins go up when Bitcoin goes up. That's how we've always seen it. I think that's how it's always going to be. Are we going to have diminishing returns over time? Yes, I believe so. So we just got to be aware of all that. $200,000 Bitcoin prediction from Standard Chartered Bank. So we have BNY Mellon coming out, custodying Bitcoin and offering institutional crypto investment products. Standard Chartered Bank predicting a $200,000 Bitcoin. Now that one I can get behind, but we've got other bullish people out there as well. Famous author Robert Kiyosaki of Rich Dad Poor Dad is always down to talk about a very bullish Bitcoin prediction. He's predicting a $1 million Bitcoin by 2030, and maybe I could get behind that one. But he's also saying that there's a $500,000 Bitcoin prediction by 2025. Is that realistic? Let me know in the comments section down below. I put out a poll. 46% of you guys say yes. 54% of you guys say no. I had to get some water. I would say no. I don't think it's going to happen in 2025. I could see us going maybe to 300K, but 300K kind of gets to my ceiling, to be honest with you. Hey, and if we go higher than that, that's great. But I'm not going to sit here on my thumbs waiting for a $500,000 Bitcoin. I'm not even going to be waiting for a $300,000 Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is hitting $100,000, and I think there's a lot of people out there like this, they're going to start shuffling some profits. I think we can go much higher. I think we can go 150K. I think we can go to 200K. I think we can go higher than that, maybe to 3. But I'm not going to wait for those big numbers. I'll be shuffling some profits along the way, especially out of my altcoin positions. It's probably good to always own some Bitcoin because there's only 21 million Bitcoin in existence. And if there's more than 21 million people on Earth and everybody's going to own Bitcoin at some point, clearly, Bitcoin's going to go past $1 million one day, as long as it stays relevant. And I think that it will. So $1 million Bitcoin at some point is reasonable. Could it be reasonable by 2030? I think that it could be. However, a 500K Bitcoin by 2025, I'd love to see it. I just don't know if it's going to happen. But I'll tell you this, you just look, and I've showed you guys this chart a lot. It's like, I think we can get into this green or yellow band, and I think we're going into probably, the end of this thing. I mean, May, June, July, August. We can go all the way even to August. But if we say we get to just this green band in May of 2025, that already brings us up to $169,000 Bitcoin, and we still have more time left in the bull market, allegedly. The reason that I say that is because historically, from the bottom to the top, the bull market lasts for how many days? Well, it lasts for 1,085 days there. It lasts for, from the bottom to the top, 1,057 days there. So we can bet in a reasonable kind of way, I think, if we last 1,000 days, we're going into August-ish of 2025, potentially. A lot of bull market left. Guys. $20 super chat from the Killer Dragon. That's your first super chat on the chat. A $20 super chat from the Killer Dragon with no questions, just generosity. I appreciate that. To Baby Kip, thank you. Uncle Black Sea will be happy with that as well. We appreciate the support. We're working very, very hard to produce content for you guys on a daily basis. Much love, brother. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. What a wonderful, wonderful super chat that is. I appreciate your support. And guess what? $20 one day is going to be chump change for all of us. I think maybe for some of you guys it is right now. Maybe it is right now. We are set up to make so much money in this bull market. So much money in this bull market. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to think that one of the presidential candidates is talking about clearing $35 trillion in debt because of crypto. We are at a $2 trillion market cap now. If Bitcoin and crypto goes to a $35 trillion asset class, that would bring Bitcoin to roughly the market cap of gold. In fact, it probably at that point surpassed gold, which I think is achievable. So this isn't a ridiculous prediction. This isn't a ridiculous idea. It sounds ridiculous, but it's not. One day, I think that Bitcoin and crypto could be at a $36 trillion market cap. If that were to happen, that is a 14x for the entire market cap for crypto. If the entire market cap for crypto does a 14x, what do you think is going to happen to a small altcoin that's going to gain in popularity, like Stacks, for example, which is relatively small, sitting at $1 or $2 billion in market cap. Cronos sitting at $2 billion in market cap. Cardano is sitting below, I think, $10 billion in market cap. All these other coins, they're going to explode. They're going to 14x at least. They're probably going to 140x. They're probably going to do more than 140x if we see the total market cap for crypto go 15x. I'm very excited for it, guys. I'm very, very excited for it. I'm very excited for it, and you should be too. What else I got? What else do I got? Oh, I want to look at some of the memes. So, Cronos memes coming back up a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm going to do this. Notice the shape here. Whoop. Kind of looks like it wants to come up. Notice the shape here. What you're looking at now is not Cronos. You're looking at the base chain. Looking at some of these coins, they want to kind of start swooping up. They're all kind of starting to turn up. This one's been going crazy. This one's been going crazy. I don't know much about the base memes. KeyCat has been around for a while. What is the market cap on KeyCat? Only 13 million. Wow. I don't know anything about this. No financial advice. I don't know. But everything kind of seems like it's starting to swoop up. Here's a look at Avalanche. Here is COQ coin. Same chart. This chart looks exactly like this chart. I mean, look at this. Here's the merit chart. Here's the COQ chart. Here's the merit chart. COQ chart. Avalanche, base, Cronos, and stacks. All of it, guys. Here's the stacks ecosystem starting to scoop up, wanting to round out, wanting to pop off. If Bitcoin continues to go up, and when Bitcoin goes to new all-time highs, all these coins, not every single one, but the good ones, the ones that do succeed, there's a good chance that a lot of these coins can get a good pump. Nothing's going to pump forever. Nothing's going to go straight up. Not every single one of these is going to go up, but there's a lot of coins out there that we can make a ton of money on. I'm so excited for it, guys, and I think you should be very excited too. A lot of people have been pessimistic lately. A lot of people have been fearful of September for good reason. September is historically bearish, but are you ready? The bull market, the second leg of this bull market, the best part of this bull market is coming. And we are so close. So close. Bobby says Jasmine's pumping. A lot of Stacks fans. Mr. Planet Profit loves Stacks. I'm a big Stacks fan as well. Stacks is getting a good boost today as well. Let's see. Look at that. Stacks in the top 10 of gainers today. Almost back above $2. This thing was at $3 at one point. Huge discount still. Still at a huge discount. I'm excited, guys. You should be too. Eric Bergermeter, I don't know your name. You think Dogelon Mars can do 100x? Maybe. Probably not. Maybe. What's Dogelon Mars market cap anyway? Let's check this out. Throw any other questions you guys have at me. I'd be happy to try to answer some for you. Just hang out a little bit. So I just got the question, can Dogelon Mars go to a 100x move from here? I go to CoinGecko. I go to the meme coin category. I look at all the top memes. I know that Dogelon Mars is somewhere up here, isn't it? Should be. I thought it was up here. Let me find it. It's got a, what, 130, it's got a $75 million market cap. So, where is it at? There it is. There it is. So, here's the top meme by market cap. It's Dogecoin. There's no secrets there. There's Dogelon Mars all the way down the list. So it is a smaller cap. It's got 74 million. If it were to 100x, you're talking about a $7.4 billion market cap. Is Dogelon Mars going to a $7.4 billion market cap? Probably not, no. Could it? Yes. Is it going to? No. Probably not. Could it 10x? Yeah, it could. It could get close to $1 billion, but it might not go to $1 billion. But a 10x is incredible. Who's first to $2 stacks or Sweet? I think it's gonna be stacks. Praying it'll be Jasmine though. Jasmine's got a long way to go before we get to $2. You got it, Eric. Yeah, I mean, easy 10x probably, but like 100x is crazy because you know just add 2 zeros and that's a $7.4 billion market cap. It's gonna be tough. You think it's gonna be as big as Pepe was at its peak? I don't know. I don't know about that. I know it's got a lot of nice things in it. Dogecoin, Elon Musk, I know, and it is a popular one. It's gonna do well. I just don't know if it's gonna 100x. It could 20x. I don't know. We'll see. Is Caspa on my radar? Welcome to the jungle, my friend. Of course, Caspa's on my radar. Very much so. Very much so. KRC20 tokens. Some people already caught 20. I've been doing videos on KRC20 tokens. The memes on Caspa. We've been tracking it. What else is going on? What do I think of Bobo? I don't think of Bobo. We can see what it's about, though. Oh, Bobo the bear. Yeah, I don't love it. I don't love it. It's on Ethereum. I had Bobo at one point because Ethereum memes were going crazy. It's probably going to get a pump at some point, but that wouldn't be one I'm playing with at this point. At this point, I wouldn't be playing that with that. That would be a coin you get in and out of if you even want to get in at all. Not a big enough narrative. Nobody cares about Bobo. I'm telling you how it is, Chris. I'm not a financial advisor. That's not financial advice. You got to make your trades on your own, but don't get caught up in a bunch of Twitter posts talking about one particular coin. Don't get caught in an echo chamber. It's the #1 mistake a lot of newcomers make to the space. No, a lot of Danny Bulls in my chat. We'll see. Rogue asked if I traded in the Caspa network. I've had a hard time myself with the bot. I have not traded. I don't use bots personally. I never do that. I do all manual trades. I have not made any trades in the Caspa network, though I have explored Casplex and Casware Wallet and all these things. I've given tutorials on it. I understand it, but I haven't actually done it myself. But I am a fan. I am a fan. I don't want to be over diversified. I want some Caspa. I don't have Caspa yet. I don't have Jasmine yet. I like Caspa. I like Jasmine. I just haven't shuffled into there. I'm so bullish on stacks. I've been aping into stacks like a mouse. Trying to. I take that back. I don't like that. I don't like the boss thing. I liked aping into stacks. Could Sol hit 1K this cycle? Maybe. Yeah. Maybe. It could. Litecoin, OG Jerry trolling me. Love you, dude. What do we got? Jason Davis. Got some Doge on Mars as well. I think Doge will pump. I just don't think it's going to 100x. I like it, though. I like the meme. It always gets a pump. It'll probably get another pump. It'll be great. You'll make a ton of money, I hope, if you take profit. What Caspa meme has stood out the most for you? 2 memes on Caspa have stood out the most for me. One is Casper, and 2 is Nacho the cat. And that is not financial advice. That is just what I've noticed. I've done videos on those. Check them out on our YouTube page. If you want to check that out, you can just YouTube. Go to our channel, go to the search function, look at Caspa. You will find my videos on Caspa memes. Carlito Figueroa asking, Crypto Kip, how is dad life so far? It's great. It's awesome. It's amazing. My daughter's wonderful. Oh, I'm tired. We had our first pediatrician appointment today. Our girlie's in good shape. We're just tired. Figuring it out. Learning. New adventure. Can't wait to make some money in crypto to provide a beautiful, beautiful life for my daughter and my wife. Still holding the dog runestone. Me too. Me too. Me too. Hang in there. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully those go well. I think they will. How's it going, Con? What's up? Eric says, if I trade my 20 billion Elon and put it in Ka, I would get 90 billion more Ka. All right. Well, you know, here's the deal. The amount of tokens that you own don't matter. It's the dollar amount that matters, and it is the market cap of that coin that you're investing in that matter. When I see new people in crypto, and I'm not accusing you of doing this, Eric, by the way, but when I see new people in crypto saying, oh, I've got 100 trillion of these tokens and it goes to a penny, I'm going to be rich. No, you're not. That's not how it works. In fact, if that's what you said to people, and Eric, I'm not coming at you. That is not how it works. Like, just going to use, I don't know anything about this coin Nero. I know people are talking about it. This is pumping today. Nero's pumping today. If Nero goes to $1, I'm going to be a billionaire. Nero's not going to $1. I don't even need to look to know that it's not going to $1. That would be the most ridiculous thing. It's already at a $500 million market cap. It would need to go to like $50 trillion market cap. That's not going to happen. You need to understand market caps, and we need to understand really just market caps. The dollar position in your portfolio doesn't matter. What matters is the percentage gains that you have available to you based on the market cap, based on the money that could flow into that, based on the community, based on the actual metrics, the volume behind it, the excitement, the news behind it, and you got to take profit on the way up on whatever it is that you're trading. But Eric, you're in the right place if you're new, my brother. This channel is for not only the experienced, but the newcomers as well. But I do think Crow with Knife is going to pump. Yep, I'm definitely a sleepyhead. I got to get a nap. And I got to do some more work, though. So, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. If you guys want to do some trading, take advantage of this volatility in crypto, you can sign up for a no KYC required exchange using our link. It's pinned in the comment section for you. Free money and a deposit bonus when you sign up. Check it out if you haven't done so already. For Blowfin, that's the one I like the most. No KYC required. And Femex, you do need KYC there. I think we're going to make a ton of money relatively soon. And I'm ready for it, my friends. We're on the precipice of glory. Do you agree? Well, I'll tell you this. 48% of you guys believe Bitcoin can hit 500K. Man, I hope you're right. 500K in 2025. One day it's going to hit 500K, I think. But 2025? Throw some other thoughts in the comments down below. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Thank you for your super chats. Dragon, Killer Dragon, and Chris 123212222. Much love, guys. Much love. Shout out to all you out there. Aoli, Legacy Legendman, Coin Baron, Crypto Keeper, Tej, Eric, EJ, Jason. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Killer Dragon. Much love, guys. Deuces.